It's called the Flexi Freeze Party Mat. It even has a fun name. Hello there, this is Rich from HouseBarons.com. Our family renovates houses, and today we have a very cool product for you that can help keep all of your food nice and cool this summer. These mats are ideal for picnics, parties, wedding receptions, catered events, pretty much any outdoor fest. And this is the item right here. It's called the Flexi Freeze Party Mat. It even has a fun name. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing because we want to show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a ton of money. Right, Claire? It's basically like an ice tray that's inside this very cool pack here. And so it's got Velcro on it. You just undo the Velcro, and this is the actual mat itself. And it's kind of cool because if you don't have a lot of room in your freezer, you can just fold it up like that, or however it works for you. I froze one earlier today, and I think it's only been about 6 hours. And there it is. The company that manufactures it says to allow 6 to 10 hours for it to freeze completely. It's frozen solid just after 6 hours, so that's pretty cool. Then you just take this little ice mat and you stick it inside of the pack. And it slides right in there. It fits in there quite snugly. And you just flip it over, and then you just close the flap using the Velcro, and voila, you're ready for a fest. Since it's inside this pack, it helps insulate it, and it's going to keep your ice lasting longer out in the hot sun. What's really great about it is, first off, it's nice and big, and secondly, it lays completely flat so you can put your items on it. You're going to a cookout and you've got potato salad or shrimp and cocktail sauce, whatever you have, you can just put it right on this mat. You can be assured that the mat will keep your food nice and cool during the entire event. The other kind of neat thing is you could buy several of them. So, like right here, we've got 6 of them. You could put all these ice packs in your freezer, and then as your event is going, when one kind of thaws out, you just grab another one and put it in there. So it's really cool to have a bunch of them on hand. The company recommends that you just keep the ice mat stored in your freezer so that you're ready for a party basically anytime. So this very attractive mat has 2 sides to it. This is the back side, and it looks really nice. That's just like a little bit cool on that side. So they recommend that you place your dish right on top of here. If that just seems a little bit too cool, you could put a couple paper towels under there and separate your food from it. In addition to renovating houses, our family owns a farm, and we're growing all kinds of produce. And we're so happy to have found these Flexi Freeze Party Mats because they're ideal for a situation such as a farmer's market, because our produce would be basically wilted in the hot sun if it weren't for the mats. It makes a really nice looking display, and in addition to that, it keeps our produce cool during the entire event. So when we're at the farmer's market, we keep a few extra ice packs in our cooler, and about halfway through, we'll check the ice, and if it seems like it's thawing out, so you can see the difference here. This one's completely frozen, and here's one that's completely thawed. So, it's pretty easy to tell that it's thawing out. And then at that point, you just grab another ice pack and put it in the mat, and your items will be cool during the whole event. We're Amazon affiliates, and we're gonna put a link in the description below, and you can click on that link and order your Flexi Freeze Party Mats from Amazon, and they'll ship it right to your door. The manufacturer says don't put the ice sheet or the party mat in a dishwasher or a washing machine. To clean the mat, you just wipe it with a soapy cloth and then dry it. The length of time that the party mat will last and keep your food cool depends on basically how warm it is outside. So obviously, the warmer it is outside, the quicker it will thaw out. So the solution for that is just to have a bunch of them. And then you got a stack of them. You just keep replacing the ice pack, and your food will stay cool for your entire event. We hope you found this information useful. If you got anything out of the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that helps out our channel, and we appreciate it. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because we have a ton of home improvement videos on the way. Thanks much for viewing, and we'll see you in this video.